thank you very much. Last day we have seen multiples of 2. Do you remember?
Yes.
Last day you have seen multiples of 2. Okay. 2 times 1 equal? 2. 2 times 1 equal? 2. 2 times 2 equal? 4. 2 times 2 equal? 4. 2 times 3 equal? 6. 2 times 3 equal? 6. 2 times 5 equal? 10. 2 times 8 equal?
63.
2 times 10 equal?
60.
2 times 10 equal?
20.
2 times 10 equal?
20.
Clap yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to continue our lesson, okay? Of
Mathematics.
Okay. Here I have some materials, okay? I have some materials. We are going to look from multiples of 3. Okay? We are going. I'm going to count. Okay? Here we have the counters. Okay? After the counters, we are going to count them loudly. Okay? Here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Again. 1, 2, 3. Yes?
Yes.
This counters is number 3. Okay? Is 3. Then 3 times 1 equal
3.
3 times 1.
Equals 3.
Let us take a 2. Who can count those counters? Who can count those counters? Yes. Coming, please. Yes, count those counters.
1, 2, 3.
And that one?
1, 2, 3.
Who can count them all together? Nice.
1,
2,
3,
4.
4,
Good.
5, 6.
Okay, thank you very much. Clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, go and sit down. It means that 2 times 3 equal?
3.
Okay, I want another one. Here I have. Three. Okay. Lipat hadap now.
1.
No. Bukan correct him. Ina. Stay here. Good. You see? Huh? Okay, clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It means that 3 times 3 equal 3 times 3 equal
9.
yeah. We are going to count 3 times it. Sit down. Vanessa. Count all together.
1,
Good.
3,
Good.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Good.
12.
Clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It means that 3 times 4 equal 3 times 4 equal 3 times 1 equal 3 times 1 equal 3 times 2 equal 3 times 2 equal 3 times 3 equal 3 times 3 equal 3 times 4 equal 3 times 4 equal. Clap yourself.
2, 3, 4.
Who can come in front of us? All together. To count these counters all together. Love behind blessing. Love behind blessing. Count all together. Speak loudly.
3, 4,
Good.
6,
Next.
7,
Good.
8, 9, 10,
Good.
11,
Good.
12, 15.
Clap for him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It means that 3 times 5 equal how many?
15.
Equal how many?
15.
Good. 3 times 5 equal 15. Then I want someone to count these counters. Other one. Abiela, come please. Speak loudly.
1,
Good.
2,
Good.
3,
Good.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
This one? Okay, have. Come. Look how to count. Loudly.
5, 6,
Good. Good. Oh, clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Flower. Okay, thank you very much. Go and sit down. Then we have to count. Okay. We just alive on 3 times. Times how many? 3 times 7. Okay? 3 times. Santa, go and count those counters all together. And speak loudly. Hurry up. Good. Good. Clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you very much. It means that 3 times 7 equal how many?
21.
Equal how many?
21.
3 times 7 equal how many?
21.
3 times 1 equal?
3.
3 times 1 equal?
3.
3 times 2 equal?
6.
3 times 2 equal?
6.
3 times 3 equal? 3 times 4 equal? 3 times 5 equal?
15.
3 times 6 equal?
18.
3 times 6 equal?
18.
3 times 7 equal?
21.
3 times 7 equal?
21.
21. Okay, thank you very much. Let us continue. Okay? Here you have counters. Here you have counters. To count them and find the multiples of 3. Okay? Sorry. Okay. You can count this one. Anaisa. Hurry up. Hurry up. Speak loudly. 22. Okay, good. Thank you very much. It means that 3 times 8 equal
24.
3 times 8 equal
24.
3 times 8 equal 24. Then here there is other counters who can come here.
Teacher,
and count
me.
these counters. Noah. Hurry up. And speak loudly. Others keep silent.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18,
Good. It means that 3 times 9 equal
27.
3 times 9 equal
27.
3 times 9 equal 27. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Okay? Vanessa. And speak loudly. Hurry up.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Right? Right? No. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Repeat.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
This one?
28, 29, 30.
Okay. Thank you very much. Clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Clap for her.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you very much. Then we are going to say the multiples of 3, okay?
Yes.
Multiples of
3
go on. 3 times 1.
equals 3.
Go on. 3 times 1.
Equals 3.
Continue. Continue.
4
No. 3 times 1.
equals 3.
3 times 2.
Equals 6.
3 times 3.
Equals 9.
3 times 4.
Equals 8.
3 times 5.
Equals 15.
3 times 5. times 7?
Equal 21.
3 times 8?
Equal 24.
3 times 8?
Equal 24.
3 times 9?
Equal 27.
3 times 9?
Equal 27.
3 times 10?
Equal 30.
3 times 10?
Equal 30.
Good. Clap yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Then I want. We are going to arrive at the end of our lesson. We are going to see if you have memorized the multiples of 3. Okay? We are going to see if you have listened the multiples of 3. Okay? I want 10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay, come on. 9, 10. Look at this one. No problem. Number 3. Now, number 8. Number 9. Number. Okay. Come here, please. Oh yeah, stay there. Stay there. This is 9. This is 24. This is 21. This is 18. This is 15. 12. 3. 27. And this one. Show me. Show us. Okay? Show us. Someone who has answered there must show us. No. Why? Bariya bafite turiya dupapuro sibyo? Urabona hano hari here 1 times 3 equal how many? 1 times 3 equal how many? Okay? 1 times 3 equal how many? And someone who has the answer there must show us that answer. Okay? Muri kumva? Umuntu uraba ufite igisubizo araza kugira gute? Kukitwe? Muri mwebwe mufite the answers. Mwe mufite ibisubizo muraza kutwereka igisubizo cya iriya multiples. Okay? Who have the multiples of these numbers? Which one? Show us answer. Twereka igisubizo ugifite.
3
times
1 times 3.
3 times 1 equal how many? Who have answer? Keep quiet. Who have answer? Show us the answer. Come here, please. Come here. Show us.
3.
It means that 3 times 1 equal
3.
3 times 1 equal
3.
okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
3 times 2 equal how many? Who has answer? Who has answer? 3 times 2 equal how many? 3 times 2 equal how many? 3 times 2 equal how many? Someone who has answer here? No one?
Teacher me. Gigi.
3 times 2 equal how many? Show us the answer. Answer is?
C.
Answer is?
C.
Please and show us the answer. Above, okay? It means that 3 times 3 equal
9.
equal how many?
9.
Equal 9. Okay? Flow here. 3 times 4 equal how many? Who has the answer there? Come. 3 times 4 equal
12.
equal 3 times 4 equal 12. Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Who has number 5? 3 times 5 equal how many? Who have the answer there? Thank you very much. Please. Show us, please. 3 times 5 equal 50. Good. 3 times 6 equal how many? Who have answered this one? Who have answer? Who has answer? 3 times. No one? No one? Which one? Santa. 3 times 6 equal how many?
80.
Equal how many? 3 times 8 equal 3 times 6 equal 18. 3 times 7 has answer. Come here please and show us. 3 times 7. How many?
21.
Equal how many?
21.
3 times 7 equal 20. Equal 21. Yes? Go and sit down. Number 8. Come here please. Number 8. 3 times 8 equal how many? Who has the answer there? Come here please. Show us the answer. 3 times 8 equal how many?
24.
3 times 8 equal 24. Okay. Number 9. Number 9. This one. Come here please. Go and sit down you. Here we have 3 times 9 equal how many? Who has the answer? Emma. Come here please and show us the answer. 3 times 9 equal how many?
27.
Equal how many?
27.
3 times 9 equal 27. Okay, thank you very much. Number 10. Come here please. 3 times 10 equal how many? Who has answer? Akesa, come here please and show us the answer. 3 times 10 equal how many? 3 times 10 equal? 3 times 10 equal? Okay, thank you very much. Clap yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, thank you very much. Go back to your place. Go back to your place. Sit down, please. Sit down. Then we just come to study the multiples of 3. We just come to study multiples of 3. Okay? 3 times 1 equal how many? 3 times 1 equal how many? 3 times 2 equal how many? 6. All of you. 3 times 2 equal how many? 3 times 3 equal how many? 3 times 3 equal how many? 3 times 4 equal how many? 3 times 4 equal how many? 3 times 5? 3 times 5? 3 times 6?
Equal 18.
Equal?
21.
3 times 7 equal?
21.
3 times 8 equal?
24.
3 times 8 equal?
24.
3 times 7? 9 equal?
27.
3 times 9 equal? 3 times 10 equal? 3 times 10 equal? Clap yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you very much. We shall continue other time. Thank you. Okay?